Well, hey there, everybody. Hey, I wanted to talk to you all about something that I thought was pretty important, and that is footwear in the garden. I know this is something that I haven't seen any videos on out there at all, and I just figured I would share this with you and talk to you about footwear. If you remember, a couple years ago, I had Achilles tendon surgery actually on this foot. And it put me into a iWALK, and I was using the iWALK out in the garden and everything. But it's recovered. I'm doing better, but I started thinking more about footwear. Forever, I would just grab my gross old shoes, maybe falling apart a little bit, and I'd throw these things on and come out to the garden. That's if I'm going out to just feed my chickens back there, or maybe water some plants. And if I was doing something, a little bit more industrial, like using a shovel, I'd get some of my old steel-toed boots here from work that are no longer hold up very good, but they still have the steel-toed protection. Especially if I'm mowing the lawn, I'll use steel-toed shoes. But if I was just really coming out quick, and I was coming out just to feed the chickens, had to do it, forgot to do it, I'd toss on some slippers, and hint hint for Christmas or birthday. Yeah, old slippers. Of course my foot would get soaked, these would get soaked. Well, I finally broke down and bought some Crocs Clogs, and these are pretty cool. I also didn't want you to see my feet, so I gave you a chance to see my hot sauce socks. But yeah, I bought these things about a month ago. Been wearing them. Normally I don't wear socks with them, of course, because I just don't want my feet to get wet, or the socks to get wet. But these are pretty comfortable. I couldn't believe it. If you have a husband, dad, son, somebody that likes working in the garden, these things are very nice. I'm going to leave a link down in the description below. They are Crocs Clogs. So they're actually built a lot better than some of the other ones I've seen. But it just really made me think about shoes. Yes, the bottoms are dirty because I'm a gardener. I'm out in the garden. I actually wore these things around. Something cool. Still don't quite know what they mean by it. I'm thinking, so basically you wear them around, you just slip them on, and then if you're going someplace where the shoe could come off, you put the piece down here, and you sort of slide that down. And they say put it into 4x. The only thing I can think of is on your older trucks, we used to have to lock the hubs on the front wheels in order to get it to be in 4x4. But yeah, that's pretty decent. Well, anytime I am working and I'm actually, doing something heavy duty, I'm going to put my steel-toed boots back. Or these are composite toes. These are Red Wings. Old Red Wings, of course. But I want to have that ankle support and Achilles support. I could be digging a hole, and then 5 minutes later I'm just the type of person to go and step in that same hole. That way, if I do step in that hole, I got the ankle support. I'm not going to sprain my ankle. So the type of boots or the type of shoes that you wear out in the garden really does matter. But most of us, we just take our cheapest, dirtiest, nastiest shoes, we put them on, we work out in the garden. Or we'll soak our slippers. Let me know down in the comments what type of shoes you wear out in the garden. If it's just the old, the tennis shoes available, or do you even actually think about what shoes you're wearing? These are going to be working great for me for the next year. Yes, we're in the Pacific Northwest, lots of rain, so they do dry out good. These are going to be great for fishing for me too. But yeah, I'm happy that I got them. And you can leave comments down there about my crazy socks also. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, push that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, happy gardening, and have a great day.